Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? Welcome again to my channel. Today is Mother's Day and I want to make something sumptuous for my family. The main meal is spaghetti and shrimps with broccoli and fresh tomatoes, but I also want to make some meat pie and then fry up some meat that I can store in the freezer, that we used to maybe to drink tea or watch Netflix, whatever it is that you use fried meat to do. So let's get into it. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook for some minutes. With this blended beef, after a few minutes you see the water coming out, so this water is going to get this beef done. Yeah. So the broccoli is chopped. I'm going to pour water and then add some salt and let it sit. I thought this shrimp has been washed, and the vein that is under it removed, but I don't think I got the wrong packet. I don't like buying the one that still have this, because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. You look, can you see it? Can you see the vein? This one here, right here. Yeah, I still have to remove this. But there are ones that when you buy, you don't have to remove this, because this has already been done. But I thought that was what I got, but unfortunately it's not. Now I'll go ahead and add the shrimp. Since the shrimp is already done before, so I won't leave it for a long time. Say I will let it cook maybe for 2 minutes, then I'll take it down. Mm.